Hey friends, I have a video for you that I'm going to share here in a moment of me getting ready with this wig on my head. But before I share that video, I wanted to give you guys an update on how this wig is doing. This is a human hair wig by Uniwigs. Her name is Zara and she's under $700, which for a Remy human hair wig is a phenomenal price, really. And I just want to give you guys an update on how she's doing. So if you want to know more and you want to see how I put her on, how I define the part line, how I blend my bio hair, then stick around. That's all coming next. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I share a lot of wig content here on my channel. And those of you who have been following me and watching my videos, then you may have seen my review of this piece. And I know it's really helpful to get updates on how wigs are doing. I can't do a ton of those videos because I don't wear any one particular wig a lot, but when I have a wig that I really love and that I wear a lot, I do like to bring you guys an update and let you know how she's doing. And I can do that one about Zara. So let's take a look at Zara real quick. I'll show you all the way around. I'll make sure my full review is linked in the description of this piece. So if you want to know more about the cap construction and all of the nitty-gritty, then you can go find that review linked below. Now, one thing I love about Zara is the density. This is a really nice, natural density. It's not a heavy density wig. This is how Zara air dries. I do not have to style her at all. I just wash her and air dry her, and this is how she looks air dried. For some of you, you might want to put a few curls in, or you might want to take a straightener and really flatten this out to an extreme straightness. But for me, I think this is just perfect, and I love that I don't have to style this one. I can wash her and I can just wear her over and over and over again. I think I've worn this one about 20 times. And you can see she just brushes beautifully. The hair is super soft. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous head of hair. And I really love the cap. This cap is a lot like the major name brand synthetic wig caps, which I think is really important when you're a wig wearer, especially if you start out with synthetic wigs, like the major name brands, Jon Renau, Raquel Welch, Renee of Paris, Ellen Villa, all of those. Making the transition to human hair can be really challenging because there are so many differences potentially in the cap construction on human hair wigs. But I love that this one is very much like those major name brand synthetics. So it feels really like a comfortable transition. And then the fact that you don't really have to style this one if you don't want to is wonderful. I put a little powder on the part because there is a transition. So this piece has like a lace front and then like a mono top. That's a lot like the major name brands. It even has a transition line here like Jon Renau wigs or Raquel Welch, those major name brands, they have a transition line like that. It has hook adjusters and it's closed wefted. And I actually prefer closed wefting on wigs personally because the hair doesn't poke through like it can on open wefted pieces. I find this to be very lightweight, very comfortable. It's not hot. I just think there's so many things to love about this wig. The one drawback is they don't really have any other colors. This is the only color that Zara comes in. So if you're a blonde or a redhead or you like a lot of visible highlights, this one isn't going to have that. But if you can wear a color like this and you're looking for a wig that's going to last you a long, long time, is going to be really easy to wear and feel really natural, Zara could be the one for you. All right, I'm going to show you how I put her on, how I fixed all this, how I used retouch-up powder on my the hair that I blend on the sides, all of those good things. But I just wanted to let you know, this one is wearing awesome, and I think it's well worth the money. So if you are looking for something like this, I recommend Zara wholeheartedly. All right, guys. Here comes the rest of the video. Thanks for watching this part. Find links below as well as a coupon code to Zara. I think it's a 15% off coupon code. Talk to you guys soon. Come hang out with me while I put on my wig. I'm going to tell you how I like to put my wigs on, and maybe it'll help you if you're new to wig wearing. The first thing I'm going to do is put my wig grip on. This is by the Hair Grip. It is by far and away my favorite wig grip on the market. It really helped me to actually start liking wearing wig grips. Keeps my wig secure and in place all day. This wig is called Zara by Uniwigs. She is a more budget-friendly human hair wig, Remy human hair, and I love the price point on this one. Now I have to blend my bio hair. I like to pull my hair out on the sides to blend with the wig. I think it helps with realism. My hair obviously doesn't blend with this color, so a little bit of root touch-up powder, and I'm good to go. This is the medium brown color by Style Edit. I'll put some details below, and I do have a coupon code to them. If you've never used root touch-up powder to blend your hair with your wigs, I cannot recommend it enough. I have it in every color, so I can blend my hair with any color wig I feel like wearing. So easy to do. Next thing, I'm going to put a little bit of powder on the part line because you can see a little bit of the transition, which is kind of common when you have a lace front and a monofilament. This will take care of that and make it seamless. I also put a little bit on the lace front. There's a few visible knots there and it'll just help blend that. It also helps if you have a wig with darker lace. Next, I'm using a spoolie to blend all of that powder in so you can't see it. And really, guys, if you're struggling with visible knots, a part line that doesn't look super realistic, try a little bit of face powder. It works wonders. The final thing I'm going to do is use a little bit of bed head. This is called After Party, and it will just smooth out flyaways. And this, I love this wig straight. I always wear it straight, and this helps keep the straight style nice and smooth. And that's it. I'm ready to go. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.